2nd August, up here at my little building, brought my Coo Coo clock. Reviewed the videos on YouTube, and cleaning and oiling is pretty damn simple. This is the guts, okay? It's made in Germany. So, basically what they said is, any place you see a hole in this outer plate is an oil point, and take a toothpick and put in a drop of oil after you clean the internals with spray duster. But it's really dirty. Some of the videos completely disassembled the guts and put them in an ultrasonic tank. I don't think mine's that dirty. And the oil to be used, they said a full synthetic 0W20. I don't think they make a 0W10. You want a real light, full synthetic oil. Interesting tidbit, back in the day, they used whale oil, one of the purest oils there is. The reason they used it for lamps is it doesn't smoke when burned. Interesting little tidbit, but don't want to kill the whales to oil my clock. Q-tips to gently clean it. You don't have to buy an applicator, you can use a toothpick. Just dip it in the oil and transfer the drop to the oil points. Call her done. So, I'll take it back home this evening and install it and get her to restart the pendulum and see if it'll keep more accurate time. I'm going to leave it setting like this about the next 30 minutes to 45 minutes. Let that oil work its way down on those oil points, and then I'll wipe off the excess with a Q-tip, button her back up, call her done. 103 degrees outside, and I need to mow just a little bit, and it's waste time to spray herbicide when it's this hot. The plants go dormant in this kind of heat and will not absorb any herbicide. It's just a waste of money when it's over 95 degrees actually. You'll get some kill, but you won't get 100% kill. And boys at Hill doing good about not parking in my lot. They told all the employees to park up the hill in the graveled area. I appreciate that. It was nice of them to finally do that. I'm next on the list for the survey, so that's a little better. And yeah, just chugging along. Let me go out here in this insufferable heat, go do my little bit of mowing, and move on to the next job. Thank you.